Good morning, everyone. This is Sham, Assistant Professor, Civil Department in Chevrolet Engineering College. Subject Estimation, Specification, and Contracts. Unit 2, Analysis of Rates. On topic Problems on rates of materials. Analysis of rates to determine the rate of particular item of work from quantities of materials and labors required and their costs. The rates of materials and labor are changing from place to place. Therefore, the rates different items of works also changes from place to place. Every estimate should be accompanied by the analysis of rates of the items provided in it. Analysis of rates comparisons of cost of material, cost of labor, T and P. Here T means tools and P means plants and carriage and contractors profit. Tools and plants percentage is 2.5 to 3% of the labor cost. Transportation cost more than 8 kilometers is considered. Water charges are 1.5 to 2% of total cost of the project, and contractors profit is 10%. The rates of materials and labor. First class bricks for 1000 numbers 4500 rupees, and second class bricks per 1000 numbers 4000, and brick basalt 800 rupees per cubic meter, and coarse sand 800 rupees per cubic meter. Cement bag 50 kgs per each bag rate is 270 rupees, and twisted bars per ton 5000 rupees. Bitumen per kg 10 rupees. This is material rates and labor. For labor rate is mason per day 450 rupees, and plaster per day 400 rupees. Carpenter per day 400. Mistri 250 per day. Mazdoor 250 per day. Painter 300 per day. Here mason is a skilled person. It is skilled in cutting, dressing, and bricks. The mason is formed built in construction. So mason also called brick mason or stone mason or freemason. Next, we know the plaster and carpenter and bisti. Bisti is the water carriage. This person used curing and shifting water one place to another place in the construction area. Next one, Mazdoor. Mazdoor is unskilled labor. This person lot of hard in physical work. So analysis of rates for earthworks. Earthwork in excavation per 1 cubic meters. Used Mazdoors 33 and Mason 1.5. Earthwork filling Mazdoors 18% and Masons 0.5. Cement concrete in foundation Mazdoors 15, Mason 1.5 and Visti 2. And next cement concrete used in Mazdoors 15, Mason 1, Visti 2.5 and reinforced cement concrete 10 cubic meters used Mazdoors 40, Masons 2.5 and Visti 5, blacksmith 4, carpenter 4, DPC for 10 cubic meters, dam proof course in used labor Mazdoors 2.5, Mason 1.5 and Visti 0.5. In first class brickwork Mazdoors 15, Masons 8 and Visti 2. And plastering work calculated in square meters. Here 100 square meters. Usual labor Mazdoors 10, Masons 10 and Visti 2. Next painting and whitewashing per 100 square meters. Mazdoors 5 and painters 4. Next we go to the problems. Write the problem. Find out dry materials required for 1 cubic meter. Cement concrete 1:4:8 in foundation. Solution. First, mixed proportion is 1:4:8. It is ratio of mixed proportion. 1 is cement, 4 sand, and 8 is aggregate. It is sum equal to 1 plus 4 plus 8 equal to 13. It is the mixed ratio sum. Next one, we find out the volume of dry concrete. So total dry matter per 1 cubic meter cement concrete equal to 1.54 cubic meters. Therefore, we required the cement requirement, sand requirement, and aggregate requirement. First, we find the cement. Therefore, the following materials are required: cement equal to here find out the 1 cubic meter. So 1 into 1.54. Divided by 13 and multiply with 28.8, then convert into bags in cements. Calculate this equation and finally cement bags are 3.41 bags. Next, sand requirement. Four is sand into 1.54 divided by 13. 0.47 cubic meters. Sand requirement. Similarly, aggregate. 8 is the coarse aggregate proportion divided into 1.57 divided by 13. 0.94 cubic meters. So 1.54. So materials for 1 cubic meter cement, concrete 1:4:8. Then finally cement requirement is 3.41 bags, sand is 0.47 cubic meters, and brick ballast is 0.94 cubic meters. Next problem. Find out dry materials for 1 cubic meter lime concrete and take ratio 1:2. Ratio equal 1:2. One is the lime, two is the surki. Surki, it is the making waterproof cement mortar and concrete. It is made burn clay balls. So sum of this ratio 1 plus 2 equal to 3. The dry mortar for 1 cubic meter of lime concrete equal 0.40. 0.40 is the lime and surki mortar. Next, therefore, the following metals are required: lime and surki. First one is the lime. The mixed proportion 1 into dry mortar 0.40 divided by 3. It is the mixed proportion sum. So then finally lime equal to 0.13 cubic meters. Next one surki. The ratio of surki 2 and dry mortar is 0.40 divided by total sum 1 plus 2 equal 3. Then final value of surki equal to 0.27 cubic meters and aggregates brick ballast equal to 1 cubic meter. So materials required for 1 cubic meter lime concrete 1:2. Lime is 0.13 cubic meters and surki 0.27 cubic meters and brick ballast 1 cubic meter. Next, analysis of rates of different items of work. First one is the expression for foundation and payment is cubic meters. Expression foundation, first one materials of at site for percentage of cubic meters. Here no materials are required. Then payment is nil. Labor per cubic meter. Used Mazdurs 33 numbers. Then here pay 250 rupees per day. Then multiply 33 and 250. That is equal to 8,250. And mason one number 450 rupees. That is equal payment for 50. And sundries and T and P tools and spends 3% on labor equal to 261 rupees. Then totally 8,250 plus 450 plus 261 equal to 8,961 rupees. And add the 10% of contractor profit 896.10 rupees. Next add grand total 9,857.10. Then finally say 9,857 rupees. So rate per cubic meters 9,857 rupees. Next one earthwork filling under force. We take the 1% and inside in metals, no metals are required, then payment is nil. And labor of 1% cubic meter, Mazdurs 18 numbers, they pay that 250 rupees per day each one. Then equal to 18 into 250, 4,500. And Bisti half number 250 per day. So 250 by half 125 rupees. Sunrise and TNP 3% on labor 465 rupees is 3% equal to 123.75. And total 4,748.75 rupees at 10% contract profit equal to 474. Grand total is 5,223 rupees. Next one is the cement concrete 1:4:8 in foundations. Metal set aside for 1 cubic meter. Cement is 3.41 bags. Each bag rate is 270 rupees equal to 3.41 into 270, 929.70 rupees. Sand 0.47 cubic meters. It is 800 per cubic meter. Then finally 376 rupees. So the cement concrete 1:4:8 we calculated already. So cement is 3.14 and sand is 0.47 and brickballast 0.94 like aggregate 0.94 brickballast cubic meter for 800 equal to 752 and cost of labor per 10 cubic meters. Labor of 10 cubic meter, 1 mason, Mazdurs 15, Bisti 2. Here mason rate per day 400 rupees, 1 into 400, 400. Mazdurs 15 numbers, multiply with 250, 3,750 rupees. And Bisti 2 numbers, each them 250 rupees, 2 into 250, 500. And Tools and plants 3% of labor 139 rupees point 50. Here material cost totally at 7,520 and labor cost is at 400, 3, 750 and 500. Then total cost of 10 cubic meter work 12,309.50. Cost of per 1 cubic meter 12,309 divided by 10 equal to 1230. Next problem. Write the problem. Conglomerate 4 centimeters thick of cement concrete 1:2:4 over 10 centimeters thick cement concrete 1:6:18 over 10 centimeters sand filling. So calculation of materials for 10 square meters. First ratio is 1:2:4 and second one is the 1:6:18. Here 10 square meter convert into cubic meter. The slab is 10 square meter and thickness is 4 centimeters. 10 into 4 divided by 100, so 0.40 cubic meters. Next one, dry mortar. Volume is 0.4 into 1.54. So equal to 0.616. It is equal to 0.62. The ratio of mixed design is 1:2:4. Here 1 is the cement, 2 is the sand, and 4 is the coarse aggregate. This is sum 1:2:4 equal to 7. Here requirement of the cement and fine aggregate and coarse aggregates. So first one, the requirement of the cement. The requirement of cement equal to 1 is the cement proportion 1 into 0.62 is the dry mortar and into 28 point it is converted bags divided by 7 mixed proportion equal to 2.55 bags. Next sand requirement is 2 is the mixed proportion of sand into dry mortar is 0.62 divided by 7. It is the mixed ratio sum equal to 0.18 cubic meters. This is the sand requirement. Next one, aggregates. 4 is the mixed proportion of the aggregate into dry mortar 0.62 divided by mixed proportion sum 7 equal to 0.36 cubic meters. This is the aggregate requirement. Next mix proportion is 1:6:18. This is the wet mortar of the cement concrete. Here 10 square meters. Into thickness is the 10 centimeters. Then 10 into 10 divided by 100. It is equal to 1 cubic meter. Next one, dry mortar. 1 into 1.54 equal to 1.54 cubic meters. Next, the mix proportion ratio 1:6:18. Then sum equal to 1 plus 6 plus 18 equal 25. Here 1 is the cement, 6 is the fine aggregate, and 18 is the coarse aggregate. Next, we requirement cement, sand, and aggregates. Cement requirement is 1 into 1.54 into convert the base 28.8 divided by sum mix proportion sum is 25. Then finally equal to 1.78 bags. This is the requirement of the cement. Similarly, sand requirement. So 6 is the sand proportion into dry mortar 1.54 divided by total sum of the mix proportion 25 equal 0.37 cubic meters. Next one, brick ballast equal to 18 is the coarse mix proportion 18 into dry concrete 1.54 divided by 25. So it is the mix proportion of the ratio sum. It is equal to 1.11 cubic meters. It is the requirement of coarse aggregates or brick ballast. Next, sand for 10 square meters. 10 square meters into 10 centimeters. So 10 into 10 divided by 10 equal to 1 cubic meter. A totally dry mortar of 10 square meters of the flooring. Cement equal to 2.55 and sand is 0.18. Coarse is 0.36. So totally add 2.55 plus 1.78, 0.8 plus 0.37 plus 1 and aggregate 0.46. Total dry mortar for the 10 square meters. Then finally materials at site for 10 square meters and rates. Here total bags is 4.33 bags. Each bag rate is 270 rupees. Then convert in the total cost 4.33 into 270 equal to 1170 rupees. Similarly, sand quantity 1.55 and each per cubic meter rate 800 into 1.55 equal to 1240 rupees. Next, pressure means coarse aggregate 0.36 cubic meter. Then each cubic meter 1200 rupees and 0.36 into 1200 rupees equal to 432. And brick ballast 1.11 cubic meter and each cubic meter rate is 800. 1.88 into 800 equal to 888 rupees. Cost of materials total 10 square meter equal to 3,730 rupees. Next, labor for 10 square meters. Mason 2 per day 400 equal to 800. Altitude 3, 250 equal to 750. BC 1, 250 per day equal to 250. Sunrise T and P 3 percentage on labor 57 rupees. Next one, cost of labor for 10 square meters equal to 1957. Next, cost of materials and labor for 10 square meters equal to 5687. Here, total cost and total labor cost, add them and add 10% is contractor profit equal to 568.70, and total add per 10 square meters, total the material cost and total labor cost and 10% of the contract profit totally added, then final value is 6256 rupees, and convert into per square meter rate 6256 divided by 10 equal to per square meter 625 rupees. So here materials and labors each one rate we calculated, then final value adding in that 10% contractor profit. So grand total adding, then finally value per square meter of construction or project. Okay, thank you.